Hello friends, welcome in the program Masters with Anurag. Today I have great friend of mine, Mr. Vinod Tiwari from UAE. Mr. Vinod is a leading entrepreneur consultant in UAE. He's an engineering director and he's most innovative solar energy expert awardee actually in UAE. He's a best-selling author. Actually, I have to read about him because he has so many qualities. And he's an international speaker and a regional mentor of change from Niti Ayog actually, and having multifaceted interest. So welcome Mr. Vinod in this program. I'm so proud to have you here. And Mr. Vinod has just launched his program on India Skill Capital. This is an online course, Discover the Writer Within You. So Vinod, welcome in the program, my dear.
Hello, namaste, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, from whatever time you're tuning in. This is a great privilege to be here at your show, and I'm so happy that you have started such a nice initiative, a platform where people can come together and learn together. Thank you very much, Anurag ji. This is a great vision, I believe, of yours, which actually has been started, and I salute you and your team for starting this a great thing, which is the future of tomorrow. So thank you very much.
Wow, thank you so much, Vinod, for such kind words. My first question for you is how is your author journey so far and the reason why you wrote a book?
So that's a good question, that how was my author journey and why I wrote the book. So I'd like to take the second part first, that why I wrote the book. So I believe that when the people is experiencing the life, a lot of data is being accumulated, and everybody is having a different perception to see the life, to see the things, to see the realities. So I believe that after I'm not here, anybody can access my email data, laptop data, mobile data, but nobody would be able to scan my mind data. And that's the reason I want to scan my mind and put all my thoughts onto the paper so that the generations can understand my philosophy, my understanding, and they can understand that what could be the best way to solve the problem as per my understanding. So this is the way, this is the reason, I wrote a book. And author journey was not so easy. I struggled for 6 years to make it possible, but the culprit was coming in between. Again and again, and the culprit is mind. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, you can achieve, and my mind was not able to conceive and believe. Okay, I am having big dreams, but every time mind is not able to conceive and believe. So it took a lot of time to make it believe that yes, it's possible. And when it happened just like that. Within 2 months I was a author, and that too best-selling author.
Great answer, Mr. Vinod. Now my next question goes about your course on India Skill Capital. Please tell me a bit more about it. Discover the Writer Within You.
So that's a fantastic question, that what exactly is the program Discover the Writer Within You. So as the name Discover the Writer Within You is all about, I am trying to help people so that they can discover the writer which is inside them already but sleeping. So I want to make it active. I want to show the people that yes, you have a story and you have author skills. And I firmly believe that everybody wants to share his story or her story, but the problem is that people are not ready to listen. Everybody want to say anything, but nobody want to listen anything. So that's the reason this is a good way of communicating your story in your own agenda, in your own words, in your own pace. And those people who really want to learn about you or your story, they will pay you and then they will learn about you. So this is a good thing. I want to encourage people that you should have at least one write-up about your life or about your philosophy. So I want to encourage people to become a writer. There are various advantages of becoming a writer, and my program is all about to discover the writer within you.
Very well said, Mr. Vinod. Now, my next question goes from the student perspective. What expectation a student should have with this course?
That's $1 million question. That what students are going to learn out of this program. Fantastic. Thank you, Anurag ji, for asking this question. Let me tell you that this program has been made after a long research, because this program was launched on a free basis for a couple of times, and after that I have collected the real feedback from the program, and that has been incorporated in this particular new program. So this program has been made very carefully in a sequence way, and step by step anybody can learn the ways to write and publish the book and become the best-selling author. Now, the idea about making this program was to make people successful, because my idea is to create at least 10,000 authors in this 2021. That's why I have made it in a very simple and easy understanding language. Even a student can get motivated and start writing his own book. So this program is basically on two aspects: why and how. First part is covering that why you should be writing a book, and secondly, how. What are the technicalities you should know to write a book? And when you combine this why and how, you end up writing a book. So anybody who will take this course, I assure that you can become a best-selling author, guaranteed.
Now, as far as you are concerned, may I ask you, who are your target candidates for this course?
So that's a good question, that who are the target audience. So my target audience are basically those ambitious people who have a little spark inside them to write something, and I want to ignite that spark, because if you have a desire, I can help you. This is basically for those people who want to write something, who want to become an author. This is for all the CXOs, the big shot people, the general manager, the president, the directors who have thoughts they should have a book. This program is for budding entrepreneurs, budding startup millennials. This is basically for the people who are looking to enhance their social status. They want to be followed in a PR media. This program is for the people who are between 16 and 92 age. So this program is basically for all those people who want to enhance their status by becoming a best-selling author.
Well, Vinod, many people are trying to be an author actually. Can you tell me really the advantage of becoming an author?
So wow, that's a very interesting question, that what are the major advantages of being an author? So I see there are so many advantages, because let me tell you, since childhood I had a great respect for all the authors. Whenever I see any author, I see that, oh my God, he has done a great job. And that's the thing, that's the respect is still available in everyone's eyes. So first of all, you gain a respect, and you pull yourself from the masses to the classes. So you are in a class, not in a mass. Second big thing, what I believe the major advantage of writing a book is you enhance your self-image. You come to the next level, and when you enhance your self-image, everything grows up. Everything, like your mind, your thinking, your talking, your walking, and even your income, everything increase. So this is the best way to enhance your self-image, because you become an authority, you become a master, you are seen as an expert of that particular domain. And the third biggest advantage, what I believe, is to create a good income, that is passive income, and that is called royalty. And let me tell you, the royalty income is for the royal people like you, like great people who want to have that great income. And why not? You should make a great $1 million portfolio because of this opportunity. Because once you become an author, you allow yourself to open the door of opportunities in many, many ways. So this is one of the great advantages to become an author, at least in this era. So this is the time of an online world where you should write something, publish something, and become an author. And I can help you to fulfill your journey step by step to the last.
Thank you so much, Vinod, for such a great discussion. I know this course will help millions of people around the world who are looking forward to become a great author. All the best again.
So finally, thank you very much, Anurag ji, for having me over here. And it's a great privilege to launch a program on a great, nice big platform of e-education, ISC. India Skill Capital is growing like anything. And I look forward to engage all of you, to help you and to support you in whatever way I can. And I wish great luck to all the people, all the viewers over there. See you, bye.